I have something a little bit different for you guys this morning. We are about to go down to the beach, and I'm going to show you this Snackle Box, if you've never heard about that. This is specifically made for that. You know, some people buy tackle boxes, and then they put their food and their snacks in there before they go down to the beach. Sometimes I wouldn't recommend that, though, if they're not made for food contact. But this one is made specifically for that type use. So it does have a closable lid that has a gasket inside here. I'm going to take the top off there for you. And you've got these multiple bins here, so you can put each type of snack that you want without it touching each other, depending on if you're going to use, say, fruits or nuts or anything like that. And the neat thing is these are removable. So if you got a larger item that you want to put, say, right here, or if you've got multiples, and then as you snack, if you want to take these out and just hold this snack in your hand, you could put all this back in and you could put it in the dishwasher. We're going to get this loaded up. I'm going to show you some of the examples of what we put in here before we go down to the beach. We've got the box filled up now, so just to kind of show you what types of snacks you could put in there, what we kind of like to bring to the beach. But we've got some small turkey wraps here. We've got some pretzels, some trail mix, 2 things of watermelon, strawberries, and some grapes. And this is something that could probably just be in addition to, say, if you brought a sandwich down there, you could keep it separated like this. So say the juice from the watermelon is not running into your trail mix or into your pretzels there. I'm going to have links in the description for boxes like this in case you want one exactly like this, or you want maybe a bigger box or a smaller box. So check out those links in the description, and hopefully this information was useful or helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.